Did you know that the U.S. trade deficit actually grew under Donald Trump, despite his promises to shrink it? Discover the shocking truth behind the Las Vegas Sphere's groundbreaking technology and financial realities in this documentary. The Sphere in Las Vegas isn't just another building. It's a gigantic experiment in entertainment technology and a huge financial gamble. Its enormous size is hard to grasp. The exterior is covered in millions of LED panels, turning it into a massive digital display. The resolution is so high that it creates stunning visuals unlike anything you've seen before. Think of it as a gigantic, breathtaking screen showing images on a massive scale. But creating this involved incredibly complex engineering. Before the crisis hit, Dalio and Bridgewater began reducing their exposure to mortgage-backed securities and other risky assets. A key part of their strategy was to significantly increase their cash position. This wasn't just about avoiding losses, it was about preparing to capitalize on future opportunities. By holding a large amount of cash, Bridgewater was ready to buy assets when their prices fell dramatically during the crisis. This substantial cash position was a large advantage over other funds who were highly leveraged. When the market crashed, many investors and financial institutions faced massive losses. However, Dalio and Bridgewater were well positioned to take advantage of the situation. Their large cash reserves allowed them to buy high-quality assets at bargain prices. This contrarian approach, buying when others are selling, is a hallmark of Dalio's investment philosophy. He focused on value investing, identifying companies and assets that were fundamentally strong but temporarily undervalued due to market panic. During this period, he would have had a large cash position ready to be invested at discounted rates for maximum returns. Dalio's strategies weren't just about short-term gains. They were about long-term growth and risk management. He understood that financial markets move in cycles and that periods of crisis create opportunities for those who are prepared. By carefully analyzing economic indicators, managing risk exposure, and maintaining a disciplined approach, Dalio was able to navigate the crisis successfully and generate significant returns for his investors. His views on monetary policy and fiscal policy gave him an edge in understanding the global economy, and thus his cash management and overall financial predictions made him stand out. The impact of Dalio's strategies was substantial. Bridgewater Associates not only weathered the storm but also thrived in the post-crisis environment. Dalio's success influenced other investors and institutions, highlighting the importance of risk management, strategic asset allocation, and a long-term perspective. He demonstrated the value of independent thinking and the ability to challenge conventional wisdom. He was truly an expert in the markets. While this video sheds light on Dalio's cash strategy after the 2008 crisis, some questions remain unexplored. For example, what specific quantitative analysis did Bridgewater use to identify undervalued assets during the recovery? What were the exact allocations of Bridgewater's portfolio in the years following the crisis? What are the potential environmental impacts of such a large-scale project? Will the technology remain revolutionary, or will it become obsolete? And how will the inevitable maintenance and component replacement costs over time be managed? These challenges will determine whether the Sphere is a long-term success or a short-lived wonder. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more content about groundbreaking technology and financial ventures.